A United Kingdom Food Info Job Guide. Chapter 1. A UK Food Guide. British food for sale. Iceland.co.uk. Ocado.com. Sainsbury's.co.com. Summerfield.co.uk. Tesco.co.uk. WaitrosDelivered.com. British Organic Food. FarmersMarkets.net. Organ9.com. PeterRabbitOrganics.com. OrganicLiving.uk.net. VictoriaHealth.com. AbellandCoal.co.uk, Organic Food. AlotofOrganics.co.uk. UK Food and Recipe Websites. BBCGoodFood.com. JamieOliver.com. AllRecipes.co.uk. GoodToKnow.co.uk. FoodNetwork.co.uk. TheDrinksBusiness.com. DeliaOnline.com. UK food websites at cali.org/en/regional/europe/business_kingdom/business_and_economy/shopping/food. Subcategories: England, Scotland, baked goods, beverages, cheese, chocolate, coffee and tea, condiments, confectionery, dairy, fish and seafood, fruit and vegetables, meat, nuts, pulses and grains, seasonings, wine, caterers, ethnic and regional, gifts, organic, prepared meals, special diets, specialty and gourmet. Related categories: Regional Europe, United Kingdom, business and economy, food and related products. Regional Europe, United Kingdom, recreation and sports, food and drink. BongoUtDeli.co.uk. Brackenhillfinefoods.co.uk. EmpirePopcorn.co.uk. FabulousFlavors.co.uk. FidDayPain.co.uk. Friars.co.uk. Guntons.co.uk. hnfoods.co.uk. Lancastersmokehouse.co.uk. milkandmore.co.uk. moropate.co.uk. mrsbridges.co.uk. porkpie.co.uk. redmore.net. thecheeseandwineshop.co.uk. ubereats.com/gb. yorkshirecrisps.co.uk. yumbles.com. Chapter 2. A list of UK food websites from feedspot.com. A list of UK food news websites at feedspot.com/news/UK_food. Olive Magazine. olivemagazine.com. Pinch of Nom. pinchofnom.com. The Gusto Food Blog. Gusto.co.uk. My Fussy Eater. myfusseater.com. Amuse Your Bouche, simple vegetarian recipes. amuse-your-bouche.com. A Mummy 2. amummy2.co.uk. Nikki's Kitchen Sanctuary. kitchensanctuary.com. Emma Eats and Explores. emmaeatsandexplores.com. Recipes from a Pantry. recipesfromapantry.com. The Worktop. theworktop.com. Domestic Gothess. domesticgothess.com. Give Recipe. giverecipe.com. Greedy Gourmet. greedygourmet.com. April J. Harris, Food. apriljharris.com. The Veg Space. thevegspace.co.uk. Gluten-free cup of tea. glutenfreecupoftea.co.uk. The Curry Guy. greatcurryrecipes.net. Lavender and Lovage. lavenderandlovage.com. Fuss-free flavors. fussfreeflavors.com. Tin Tomatoes. tintomatoes.com. A list of UK food websites at blog.feedspot.com/UK_food_blogs. blog.feedspot.com/UK_food_magazines. aglugofoil.com. americanrecipes.co.uk. amummy2.co.uk. apriljharris.com/category/food. bakingbar.co.uk. bakingqueen74.co.uk. blog.feedspot.com/UK_vegetarian_blogs. blog.feedspot.com/UK_baking_blogs. blog.feedspot.com/UK_kids_food_blogs. bristolbites.co.uk. saraijonschef.com. charlotteslively.kitchen.com. cheeseandbiscuits.blogspot.com. circusgardener.com. cooksister.com. deliciouslyella.com. dollybakes.co.uk. domesticgothess.com. easycheesyvegetarian.com. eatlikeagirl.com. eatsamazing.co.uk. eatsamazing.co.uk. elizabethskitchendiary.co.uk. emmaeatsandexplores.com. endoffthefork.com. everydayhealthyrecipes.com. fabfood4all.co.uk. family-friends-food.com. farmersgirlkitchen.co.uk. fatrainbow.com. flawlessfood.co.uk. foodiequine.co.uk. foodstufffinds.co.uk. fussfreeflavors.com. giverecipe.com. glutenfreecupoftea.co.uk. ghosted.co.uk/blog. greatcurryrecipes.net. greedygourmet.com. hedgecommerce.com. hintofhealthy.com. josskitchenlarder.com. kellysfoodetoglow.com. carrycooks.com. kitchensanctuary.com. larderlove.com. latoyaage.co.uk. lavenderunlovage.com. messyvegancook.com. mummymishaps.co.uk. myfusseater.com. mylittleitaliankitchen.com. nadiashealthykitchen.com. olivemagazine.com. pottiesremakesperfect.co.uk. pinchofnom.com. recipesandreviews.co.uk. recipesfromapantry.com. feedburner.com/skinnyspatula. feedburner.com/elizabethskitchendiary. feedburner.com/everydayhealthyrecipes/nrrk. feedburner.com/foodstufffinds. scottishmum.com. searchingforspice.com. sharkingforchipsanddrinks.com. simplysensationalfood.com. skinnyspatula.com. slowcookerclub.com. supergoldenbakes.com. supergirl-food.blogspot.com. talesfromthekitchenshed.com. tamingtwins.com. theenglishkitchen.blogspot.com. thefoodaholic.co.uk. thefoodconnoisseur.co.uk. thelasdfoodblog.com. thepetitecook.com. thevegspace.co.uk. theworktop.com. tianantime.uk. tintomatoes.com. wallflowerkitchen.com. blog.feedspot.com/UK_whole_food_blogs. blog.feedspot.com/UK_organic_food_blogs. blog.feedspot.com/UK_food_RSS_feeds. feedspot.com/news/UK_food. A list of London food websites from blog.feedspot.com/London_food_blogs. blog.feedspot.com/UK_food_blogs. A Spoonful Off Sugarblog.com, bbcgoodfood.com, bellokitchen.com, blog.rococochocolates.com, brew-cafe.com, carolinemakes.net, saraijonschef.com, cheeseandbiscuits.blogspot.com, cooksister.com, deliciouslyella.com, eastlondongirl.com, eatcookexplore.com, eatinglondontours.co.uk/blog, eatlikeagirl.com, fooddiarieslondon.com, foodioyoushouldknow.com, fussfreeflavors.com, ghosta.co.uk/blog, halalfoodguy.co.uk, herfavfood.com, londonafrovegan.com, londoneater.com, londonstreetfoodie.co.uk, lu-ma.co.uk, maisonecupcake.com, mummiesfostandc.com, myfusseater.com, pickyglutton.com, polamieskitchentale.com, rubyviolet.co.uk/new-blog, samfiransalsify.com, scottcianeat.com, sharkingforchipsanddrinks.com, silverspoonlondon.co.uk/category/restaurant, socialpantry.co.uk/the-blog, squarepie.com, sugarfreelondoner.com, tabletoppaper.com, thebeardedbakery.com, theenglishkitchen.blogspot.com, theflexitarian.co.uk, thelondonfoodie.co.uk, themassamen.substack.com, thepetitecook.com, twomenaboutown.com/category/food-and-drink, wethefoodsnobs.com, youtube.com/user/gavinchockywocsci/videos, youtube.com/channels/ucco1breakqb-9flcxycp4ecwg. A list of UK coffee websites at blog.feedspot.com/UK_coffee_blogs. batchcoffee.co.uk/coffee reviews. blog.cimbali.co.uk. blog.packedcoffee.com. cafesuccesshub.com. cafesociety.co.uk/blog. coffee.uk.com/blog. coffeeblog.co.uk. coffeekiwi.com. coffeeteaclub.co.uk. cremacup.com. ferrerscoffee.co.uk/blog. gordonsteacoffee.co.uk/blog. hesblog.co.uk. javahubcoffee.com/blogs/news. lincolnandyork.com/blog. longandshort.london/blog. pothead.coffee/blog. quirkycoffeeecho.com/blog. arisacoffeebox.co.uk/blog. so-purecoffee.co.uk/news. A list of UK beer blogs at blog.feedspot.com/UK_beer_blogs. beerguild.co.uk. beerolds.co.uk. beeroclockshow.co.uk. beertoday.co.uk. beeryeti.com. bokenbailey.com. kansaycrostheworld.home.blog. cheersnortheast.co.uk. craftandslice.com. honestbrew.co.uk. s/posts/default. stonech.co.uk. tandylemonbeerblog.blogspot.com. wednesdaybeers.co.uk. Chapter 3. UK Food Jobs. UK Food Jobs. fdf.org.uk Food and Drink Federation. tastycareers.org.uk Tasty Careers. nsafd.co.uk National Skills Academy for Food and Drink, the National Skills Academy for Food and Drink. British food industry / British food jobs. chefjobs.co.uk. food.gov.uk, Food Standards Agency. springboarduk.org.uk/careers, food and service management careers. arlafoods.co.uk/career, Arla Foods UK, dairy. deepblue-recruitment.co.uk, Deep Blue Food Recruitment, Food Manufacturing Recruitment and Food Engineering. foodindustrycareers.co.uk. bfff.co.uk, British Frozen Food Federation. boothsmithfoodtechnology.com, British food industry consultancy for designing and building new food process plants, etc. bfbi.org.uk, Brewing, Food and Beverage Industry Suppliers Association. bakeryinfo.co.uk, Baking Industry News. chefjobs.co.uk/useful_links. restaurantjobs.co.uk. senta.co.uk/food/jobs_careers.cfm. defra.gov.uk, Department for the Environment, Food and Rural Affairs. fmccatering.co.uk, temporary catering jobs for events like Wimbledon. Food science job websites. prospects.ac.uk/postgraduate-courses-results $keyword $food %20 technology number results, search for postgraduate courses in food technology. ifst.org/organization-accreditation-schemes/accredited-degree-programs, Institute of Food Science and Technology, IFST, accredited programs/courses. jobs.foodmanufacture.co.uk, Foodman jobs. jobs.thegrocer.co.uk, grocer jobs. jobs.newscientist.com/n-gb, new scientist jobs. yourfoodjob.com, yourfoodjob.com. grocerdirectory.co.uk, the grocer directory of manufacturers and suppliers. ifst.org/career-development-what-cpd/cpd-learning-activities, IFST, CPD Learning Activites. CIEH.org, Chartered Institute of Environmental Health, CIEH. Tradingstandards.uk, Chartered Trading Standards Institute, CTSI.